Hi, hello, join me as I dive into Diwali business ideas and challenge myself to turn them into real income boosters. Diwali, the festival of lights, is just around the corner, and with it comes a huge opportunity for entrepreneurs to boost their income. This festive season is a time when people are willing to spend more on celebrations, gifts, and decorations. As a result, many businesses see a significant surge in sales during this period. If you are looking to start a new business or side hustle, Diwali can be the perfect time to get started. One of the biggest challenges people face when starting a new business during Diwali is competition. With so many established businesses and new entrants vying for customers' attention, it can be tough to stand out. Another challenge is market saturation. With so many products and services available, it can be hard to differentiate yourself. Additionally, many people struggle to come up with unique and profitable business ideas that can help them capitalize on the festive season. And of course, there is a challenge in managing inventory, logistics, and customer service during the busy period. Let's explore some profitable business ideas that are tailor-made for Diwali. Selling Indian sweets and snacks is always in high demand during the festival. You can start by making these items at home and start selling online or to a local customers. Another idea is to create and sell Diwali themed decorations such as diyas, lanterns, and rangoli designs. If you have a talent for crafting or designing, you can create personalized gifts such as customized candles, photo frames, or jewelry. These types of products are always popular during Diwali, and with the right marketing, you can monetize them effectively. One standard business idea that has proven to be exceptionally successful during Diwali is selling customized gift hampers. These hampers can include selection of sweets, chocolates, nuts, and other treats, all packaged in a beautifully designed basket or box. By offering customization options such as different types of sweets or gift wrapping, you can differentiate yourself from competitors and attract more customers. For example, one entrepreneur I know started a small business selling customized gift hampers and was able to generate significant income during Diwali. She started by offering a limited range of products and gradually expanded her offerings based on customers' feedback. To recap, we have discussed several Diwali business ideas that have the potential to supercharge your income, from selling traditional sweets and decoration to creating personalized gifts and customized gift hampers. There are many opportunities to capitalize on the festive season. If you are willing to put in the effort and be proactive, you can turn these ideas into a successful business. If you are interested in starting a Diwali business, I would love to hear from you. Please comment below and let me know which idea you found appealing. And if you are looking for more tips on starting a small business, be sure to check out my next video where I will be sharing some expert advice.